Hello friends, myself Professor Gaurav. I am going to share with you one of the important videos based on MCQs for the subject called mercantile law. So which will be pretty much helpful to you when you are going to prepare for MCQs related with different chapters of first unit. So let's have the session based on MCQs for the subject of mercantile law. Other name is Business Regulatory Framework, Unit 1, which covers Indian Contract Act 1872. And we will have today MCQ based on chapter called Nature and Types of Contract. So let's have the first MCQ. The Indian Contract Act came into effect. That means it was in force as on. Options are from 1/1/1872, 1/4/1872, 1/6/1872, 1/9/1872. The right answer is option D, 1/9/1872. Next, an agreement enforceable by law is called option A, agreement, option B, contract, option C, promise, option D, proposal. The right answer is yes, contract. Then the third one is based on a definition. Every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is called. So definition of which concept, which topic? Agreement, contract, promise, or proposal? The answer is agreement. Next, fourth one, essential elements for a valid contract are covered under which section of Indian Contract Act 1870? So let us see the option. Under section 6, under section 7, under section 10, or it may be under section 11. Answer is under section 10, yes. Question 5. Contract is divided under which section of Indian Contract Act 1872? Let's see the option. Under section 2H, under section 2E, or it may be 2G or 2A. The right answer is answer A, option A, under section 2H. Sixth one, agreement is defined under which section of Indian Contract Act 1872? Options are under section 2J, 2E, 2G, or it may be 2A. The right answer is 2E, under section 2E, option B. 7. An agreement not enforceable by law is called. An agreement not enforceable by law is called agreement, commercial agreement, void agreement, domestic agreement. So the right answer is the agreement is not enforceable, it is void agreement. Answer is C. 8th one, void contract is defined under which section of Indian Contract Act 1872? Void contract. Options are under section 2J, under section 2I, or it may be under section 2G, or the fourth one is under section 2B. Void contract section. Let's see. The answer is A, under section 2J is the right answer. Number 9. Previous slide was based on void contract. Now this is void agreement. Is defined under which section of Indian Contract Act 1872? Options are under section 2J, 2G, 2F, or 2C. The right answer is under section 2G. Option B is the right answer. Number 10. As per section 9, which terms are defined under Indian Contract Act 1872? What are the topics covered under section 9? Let's see. Top 4. Unilateral and bilateral contracts, expressed and implied contracts, executed and executory contracts, or it may be valid contracts. Section 9. As per section 9, the right answer is express and implied contracts. Point B. 11th. An agreement enforceable by law at the option of one party and not by other party is called. This is also one of the definition. Now the options are illegal agreement, voidable agreement, voidable contract, void contract, unenforceable contract. The answer is point B, voidable contract. It's a voidable contract. 12. And enforceable agreements are the one, let's see the option, made by pre-consent. Parties to the contract are competent to enter into an agreement, having lawful consideration in object, or the last one is all of the above. So enforceable agreements are the one which covers all these points, means all the essentials of contract as per section 10 must be present, and these three are present in that case. So the answer is all of the above. Answer is point B. This is a short formula. Offer plus acceptance means. Offer plus acceptance means. Let's have the option. Contract, agreement, valid contract, unilateral contract. The answer is agreement. This formula is based on agreement. Another formula. Agreement plus enforceability at law. Options are contract, agreement, void contract, bilateral contract. The right answer is point A, contract. 15. Which of the following case is based on social or domestic agreement? So on the social and domestic agreement, which case is based? These are the options of the cases. There are 4 options: Chinaya versus Ramaiya, Balpur versus Balpur, Lalman Shukla versus Gauridat, Fitch versus Snedeker. Social and domestic agreement. On this point, which is the right answer? The right answer is point B, Balpur versus Balpur. 16. All contracts are unilateral contracts, executed contracts, agreements, domestic agreements. The right answer is all contracts are agreements. On the basis of performance, the contracts can be classified as, on the basis of performance, the contracts can be classified as unilateral and bilateral contracts, expressed and implied contracts, void and voidable contracts, or unenforceable and illegal contracts. On the basis of performance, the right answer is point A, unilateral and bilateral contracts. Next, a contract in which both the parties are yet to perform their respective promises is known as. A contract in which both the parties are yet to perform their respective promises is known as. Means both the parties have not performed their respective obligations. Their promises, their obligations are still outstanding. Options were bilateral contract, executed contract, voidable contract, illegal contract, and the answer is bilateral contract. 19th one, which is very interesting. Sushant promised to marry Riya, but later on Sushant dies. This contract becomes dash on the death of Sushant. what type of contract it is, whether it is a valid contract, voidable contract, void contract, or illegal contract. Sir, it becomes impossible to perform this contract. So the answer is point C, void contract. Last one, Afzal agrees to pay rupees 50,000 to Firoz if he kills Rashid. This is a valid contract, a unilateral contract, an illegal contract, or an implied contract. Illegal, it's an illegal activity to harm a person. It's an illegal activity, friends. Whatever the consideration is going to be received, 50,000, the consideration, even the consideration is illegal, and the object to harm a person is illegal. So overall, the agreement is considered as illegal agreement. The answer is C, illegal agreement. So friends, that's all from my side.